Looking for how to fix Instagram call failed, report a problem. In this video I show you how to fix Instagram call problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, update Instagram to latest version. Now go back to home screen, then go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop. Okay. Now tap on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Now call someone. I hope that this method fix Instagram call report a problem or Instagram call problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.